welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the Mondrian square puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Tom Joly and it was inspired by the abstract geometric paintings of the Dutch artist Piet Mondrian. The Mondrian square puzzle was made by Cubic Dissection. It was made from anodized aluminum and brushed brass. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 4 pieces into the frame. This puzzle has 4 parts, a frame and a small chain, and the chain holds everything inside. Once you unlock the chain, you will be able to remove the first piece, and then you can remove the rest of the parts, but you have to figure out the way how to do so. And once all parts are out, you can mix them and try to put them back inside. That's not only a puzzle, it is also a nice keychain. You can put the chain back, lock it, and put the puzzle with the keys, and you will always have a puzzle with you. The Mondrian square puzzle comes in a small felt bag, and there is a small rope comes inside. You can use the rope instead of the chain and wear this puzzle as a pendant. If you like the Mondrian square puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, you remove the chain, then you remove the first piece. And now we have 3 parts, but you can't remove either of them. So what you have to do is to move this piece up. This goes all the way to the right, this goes down, this goes to the left, but here it feels like you can't remove the part and you can't move it any further. But what you can do is lift it up and remove. And now we have 2 parts left. And you can think that you can easily remove them, but again, you have to figure out the way how to do it. So you have to move this piece up, the bottom piece to the left, this to the right down, this goes up, and now we can remove this part and remove this part, and the puzzle is solved. Now you have to assemble everything back together. Make sure that these holes are in top right corner. Now you put this piece first, then you grab this large piece, put it here, and now you have to rotate them around and put them on the bottom. As you can see, I switched places of these 2 parts. Next goes this piece, quite large as well. Move it to the right, this goes up, this goes to the left, this goes down. And now we just have enough space for the last piece. Put it inside, and now you can lock the puzzle with the chain, and the puzzle is solved both ways. As I mentioned, it's not a very difficult puzzle, but it's a very beautiful, and you can use it as a keychain. If you like the Mondrian square puzzle, but you wish it was a little bit more difficult, you can try a bigger version of it, which is called Mondrian's Mess. It has 6 parts, and it's much more difficult to solve. If you like the Mondrian square or Mondrian's Mess puzzle and you want to try some other amazing puzzles made by Cubic Dissection, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.